Hello, welcome to Home Decorating Ideas. Today, we are immersing ourselves in the delightful world of home garden landscaping, exploring creative ideas to turn your outdoor space into a heaven of beauty. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a cozy balcony, there's something for everyone in this garden adventure. Now, let's talk about the allure of vertical gardening. Vertical spaces not only underutilized, but they offer fantastic opportunities for creativity. Consider installing wall-mounted platters, trellises, or even a vertical herb garden. These vertical accents not only save precious ground space but also add a touch of whimsy and greenery to your walls. For those with limited space, let's explore the magic of container gardening. Containers allow you to cultivate a garden oasis on your balcony, patio, or even window sills. Mix and match different side pots and containers. Play with various plant heights and experiment with a variety of textures and colors. Container gardening is a perfect solution for those looking for a maximize their outdoor space with a minimal effort. Now, let's dive into the world of water features. A well-placed fountain, pond, or even a simple bird bath that can transform your garden into a sunny retreat. The sound of flowing water adds a calming ambience, while the visual appeal of shimmering reflections enhance the overall aesthetic. Water features not only attract birds and beneficial insects but also create a soothing focal point. Speaking of focal points, let's discuss the impact of statement planters and sculptures. Large eye-catching planters or unique sculptures strategically placed in your garden can become stunning focal point. These elements add character, create visual interest, and serve as conversation starters, making your garden a true work of art. Now, let's explore the creativity of pathways. Well-designed pathways not only guide you through the garden but also contribute to the overall aesthetic. Consider using materials like gravel, stepping stones, or even reclaimed wood to create a charming walkway. Add meandering curves for a more organic feel or straight lines for a formal touch. And don't forget to surround your path with lush greenery for an enchanting journey. For those who appreciate a touch of romance, let's talk about the beauty of arts and pergolas. These structures not only provide vertical interest but also serve as delightful frames for climbing plants like roses or vines. Picture a pergola adorned with fairy lights or an arched entrance covered in blooming flowers. creating a romantic and enchanting atmosphere. Now, let's discuss the impact of outdoor seating areas. Whether it's a cozy bench nestled among flowers, a hammock for lazy afternoons, or a stylish outdoor dining set, incorporating seating areas into your garden invites you to fully immerse yourself in nature. Consider adding a weather-resistant cushions, throws, and lanterns to create an inviting space for relaxation and entertainment. As we continue our journey through these home garden landscaping ideas, remember that the key is to blend functionality with aesthetic. Whether you're drawn to themed gardens, vertical spaces, container gardening, water features, statement planters, sculptures, pathways, arts, pergolas, or outdoor seating areas, there's a landscaping idea waiting to transform your outdoor retreat. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more landscaping inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. And until next time, happy designing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.